Unraveling Patterns and Trends in Literature and Media. Hello, dear learners. In today's video, we'll dive deep into the realm of critical thinking, focusing on one key aspect: identifying patterns and trends. Why is this crucial? Well, recognizing patterns helps us comprehend the world of literature, film, and media more profoundly. Let's get started. Patterns and trends can be thought of as repeated themes, symbols, or behaviors found within a text or across multiple texts. They can help us make predictions, draw parallels, and gain a deeper understanding of the content. Patterns, recurring elements or themes. For instance, in fairy tales, the happily ever after ending is a pattern. Trends, evolutions or shifts in themes, styles, or topics over time. For instance, in the 21st century, dystopian young adult novels became a prominent trend. Understanding patterns and trends is essential for a few reasons. 1. Deepens comprehension. Recognizing patterns allows us to predict and understand the message more comprehensively. 2. Enhances engagement. Identifying trends can make consuming literature and media more interactive and engaging. 3. Aids in discussions. When discussing texts, referencing recognized patterns can provide strong evidence for your point of view. Identifying patterns and trends can be refined with practice. Here are some steps to guide you. 1. Active reading or viewing. Stay engaged. Take notes of recurring symbols, themes, or topics. 2. Ask questions. Why might the author or filmmaker repeatedly use this symbol? What does it represent? 3. Compare works. Look for similarities in themes or styles in works by the same creator or from the same period. 4. Discuss with peers. Engaging in conversations can shed light on patterns you might have missed. Let's take Shakespeare's works as an example. Pattern. In many of his tragedies, a tragic hero has a fatal flaw that leads to their downfall. Trend. His earlier works were more comedic, but as time went on, they became darker and more tragic. Understanding these patterns and trends in Shakespeare's works can provide insight into his growth as a writer and the themes he deemed significant. So, next time you pick up a book, watch a film, or indulge in any form of media, try to be a detective. Spot those patterns and trends. Not only will it deepen your appreciation and understanding, but it will also make your consumption of art more interactive and thought-provoking. We hope this video has shed light on the fascinating world of patterns in literature and media. Until next time, happy learning!